Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian allows you to import tables created in Excel into CAD. Now, let's see how to import an Excel table into CAD. First, copy the Excel table. In CADian, click on Excel Import icon on the toolbar. In the Import options, you can set the text layer, color, style, and the grids layer and color. Then, click the Rect Draw button and specify to corners to set the table size. You can see that the Excel table is imported to CADian. We've used CADian's Excel import function to bring the Excel table into CAD. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.